Thank you to the 537 students who responded to our survey earlier this month. Our October Thursday Thoughts results indicate that most students are happy with the grades they have been receiving so far this school year, with many noting room for improvement moving forward. We asked, now that we are approaching the halfway mark of the first semester and work is increasing, what kind of help could you use? The most common responses related to tutorial availability. So let's take a moment and review all of the opportunities provided on our campus. Tutorial is a great way to review challenging class material, form a study group with classmates, make up work from absences, and more. For instance, in social science, you may participate in valuable test review. In AVID, students might earn class rewards for attending any subject tutorial. In math, you might be able to retake a low test. In honors biology, you could be using tutorial time to teach your peers as part of a class project. And did you know that the counseling department hosts a variety of tutorial sessions throughout the school year supporting students with college and scholarship applications? The tutorial schedule can be found by going to our school website, wolfpack.guhsd.net, clicking Students, and then selecting Tutorial Schedule. Here you can find the many offerings available broken down by department, day of the week, and time of day. Please note that while a teacher is listed as the host, this does not mean that only that teacher's students are permitted. For example, any student seeking English support can attend Ms. Edwards' tutorial on Tuesdays at 7:15, so find the option that works best for you. Also, don't forget to speak with your specific teachers about tutorial options, as they may offer certain times, including lunches, that aren't published on our official schedule. Keep up the great work, and good luck on your next round of progress reports.